Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through easy guide or easy way to remove stickers from iPhone keyboard. So if you want to do that, you have to open a message app where you can simply do that. So I'm just going to open the messaging app to myself. So right here I'm just going to tap on the keyboard option, then tap on the emoji. So right here, these are my stickers. So if I want to delete or remove the stickers, I'll just click on these three dots here. Then it will open the tray for the keyboard for the stickers. You can see these are the stickers. So if I want to delete any of the stickers, I'll just tap on the three dots icon at the left side of the screen. Just tap on it. Then to pop up another option. From there, I can easily delete the keyboard. Once I do that, it will completely be deleted. And also I can also use another method, which is just go to the settings. From the settings, then scroll down and tap on general. So from general, you scroll the way down till you find the keyboard option, and my keyboard option is under date and time. So I'm just going to tap on the keyboard, then I'll scroll the way down, then make sure that this sticker option under emoji is turned off. So with this, I can completely remove stickers from iPhone keyboard, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.